Good evening. Can you all hear me? Good evening, Bhavna. Let's reach for the sky, let's win over the world, and let's change the story. Good evening, everyone, for the online launch of ninth edition of Women Shine. This is Aparna Mishra, founder of Women Shine, live from page Women Shine. So do join this page and subscribe it also. So yeah, it's been 8 months now, and since we have launched this beautiful collection of inspiring journeys, travel tales, lovely recipes, beauty and fitness insights, and amazing lineups. And COVID times has given a birth to Women Shine, and since then we are shining. Year 2021, yes, we have great plans for this year, and you will witness many wonderful things and events around the year. Every month, कुछ ना कुछ हम आपको announcement करते चले जाएंगे. We'll reveal our plans every month. So keep watching us and stay tuned to all our pages and Instagram handles, wherein we'll announce things which are coming in coming months. So yes, January edition की अगर हम बात करते हैं, तो January edition is a blend of media, entertainment, fashion, and many more things. Let's start with the website. In fact, जैसे हमने बताया था कि this new year will have new goals, new plans, new looks. So similarly, we have changed. Just have a look at the website. We have done some changes. I'm sure you love it. Let me just share the screen. So yes, this is our website. So now, the moment you sign in, just put the womenshine.in. You'll see all the editions over here. आपको जो edition देखना है, आप उस पे click करेंगे. And we have installed all the placed all the PDFs into this. And then अगर आप नीचे आते हैं, so again we have this edition over here. You can download it. You can flip on the pages जैसे हम पहले देखते थे. Then we have these top stories section and more stories. And of course we have this YouTube video link also, जिसमें हमारे जो भी हम live sessions करते हैं, सारे videos इसमें आपको मिलेंगे. So you can subscribe it also, watch all those videos, even if you have missed our live sessions. So let's start with our January edition. I'll start from here. सारे editions हमारे हैं, now editions निकल चुके हमारे. This is the new edition, 9th edition, in fact January edition. So here, yeah, हमने इसको click किया. So there's a PDF over here. Let me just reduce the size. Okay, so this is a cover page. And when we move further, this is the content wherein we talk about all the pages and their numbers. Then this is my few lines for you. Now here the first start. Now it starts. Now यहाँ पे हमने क्या changes किए? The moment if you click here, what's trending, you will go to our website only. So यहाँ पे भी जाके आप you can move to various pages or you can just go through from PDF as well. So we have given you both the options now. So again, if I move back, now this is what's trending. In fact, हमने now I'll go one by one, page by page. So we did this Facebook live session of which was Rewind 2020. Here we had panelists from around the world. We had Shim Ahmed from Maldives. We had Ayanti from Sri Lanka, Anu Grover from London, Renita from Singapore, and Dr. Varsha Kumar from India. This was a session basically कि आपका 2020 कैसा गया, because these people were from diverse backgrounds, so it was very interesting to know कि कैसे कैसे इनके business, इनके work style पे affect किया किस तरह से. So we all discussed that. So that was Rewind 2020. Then moving further, we have this article, Women Entrepreneurial Success Through Feedback. If we talk about like maybe if you look back 5-6 years back, हम देखेंगे बहुत सारी women entrepreneurs उतनी नहीं थी जितनी आज के टाइम पे है. धीरे धीरे चाहे वो घर से काम कर रहे हो, चाहे ऑनलाइन कर रहे हो, चाहे उनका प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, काफी women अब आगे आ रही है, अपने अपने काम शुरू कर रहे हैं वो लोग. सो ये जो ट्राइब है ये बढ़ती ही जा रही है, आगे आने वाले टाइम में और बढ़ जाएगी. लोग इवन प्रोफेशनल कोर्स करते करते बिजनेस करने लगे हैं. एक टाइम में बाद में बिजनेस करते थे या नहीं करते थे या घर से करते थे. अब क्या है कि जो यंगस्टर्स आ रहे हैं, यंग जनरेशन आ रही है, वो पढ़ते पढ़ते ही उनके बिजनेस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, स्टार्टअप्स उनके स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो दिस जो हमारा आर्टिकल है, दिस टॉक्स अबाउट फीडबैक. होता क्या है कि फीडबैक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. होता क्या है कि जैसे जब हम बिजनेस करते हैं तो हम वी गो आउट फ्रॉम आवर कंफर्ट जोन्स एंड रियली वी गिव विंग्स टू आवर ड्रीम्स एंड पैशन. अब फीडबैक क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट होता है? बिकॉज इस फीडबैक से दिस हेल्प्स इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ अचीविंग ड्रीम्स एंड इट कैन सपोर्ट इन एनहांसिंग द ग्रोथ, इनोवेशन एंड सक्सेस ऑफ द एंटरप्राइज. सो वी शुड, आई थिंक, फीडबैक को बहुत पॉजिटिवली लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज फीडबैक से हम अपने काम में इंप्रूवमेंट्स ला सकते हैं. So this article is written by Amrinder Kaur and she is the founder of Pink Guava Consulting, Dr. Amrinder Kaur. Now we have this article, Homemakers No Unpaid Labor. ये बहुत ही आजकल का काफी burning topic है. इस पे काफी न्यूज़पेपर में आपने इसके बारे में देखा होगा. So इस edition में, in a new edition, in January month edition, we have carried both the aspects, one the legal aspect and one from the personal aspect, an individual's perspective. So ये दिस इज रिटन बाय शिल्पी जौहरी फ्रॉम गुड़गांव. इन्होंने उस पर बात करी है कि जो एक हाउसवाइफ है, काम दोनों करते हैं, जो वर्किंग है, नॉन वर्किंग है, हर तरह के काम में टाइम चाहिए होता है, अटेंशन चाहिए होता है, एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. सो डिफरेंस क्या है? एक पेड है और एक अनपेड है. तो इस पे इन्होंने पूरा, दिस इज द आर्टिकल ऑन दिस एंड लेटर ऑन वील सी द लीगल एस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो ऑफ दिस. Now comes Shine Global. Shine Global में जैसे पता है, we always publish a journey of a person who's outside India and she's doing extremely well in her own domain. So this month we have featured Shim Ahmed. She's from Maldives and she has a news channel, AO News करके. So इन्होंने पूरी अपनी जर्नी दी है, 10 साल की पूरी इनकी जर्नी है कि कैसे इन्होंने अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, कैसे पहले क्या था इनका, अब कैसे चैनल कहाँ से कहाँ तक पहुंच गया है, एंड प्लस इनके आगे आज इस साल के एंड आगे आने वाले सालों के व्हाट आर लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान्स फॉर दिस. देन वी हैव डॉक्टर सजिदा खान. सजिदा खान की अगर हम बात करें तो शी इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट फीमेल ऑडियो इंजीनियर एंड शी इज राष्ट्रपति अवार्डी. She owns a recording studio and she is launching an audio book जिसका नाम है Women in Audio. This article is written by Aditi Gupta. In fact, अगर हम बात करें, Sajida Khan was in touch with us. I think 3-4 महीने पहले से हमारे साथ हैं, but we were not able to get details from her. Finally, we got कि इस साल तो हमें आपका करना ही करना है article. So she was very cooperative enough to give her details and all. Next, we have under She Leads. This is published under She Leads category. She Leads में हम इंडिया की कोई भी लेडी विमेन किसी भी फील्ड में अच्छा काम कर रही हो कि उसको हम पब्लिश करते हैं. एंड सिंस दिस एडिशन इज ऑन मीडिया, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड फैशन, सो वी हैव फीचर्ड few women who are doing extremely well and they have marked their name in India. Now we have Richa Khandelwal Bhatt. She's from Bangalore and she's the founder of a Keshwa Productions. It's a production house. She has a good support from her husband, Ullas Krishna Bhatt, and she's also grooming her daughter to take over children's unit called Creative Shala, where they are training kids to become future leaders of tomorrow. All the best, Richa. I know you have high dreams and you are actually impressed by Badrinath and all, and you really plan to do something over there. So all the best to you. And Atmanirbhar Pe, you have this Make India Atmanirbhar. It's a production house which you really want to go across so many continents and really create something very good. All the best, Richa, for your endeavors. Then we have Life Off and Life Hacks with Indra Rangarajan. This is something very interesting. Indra Rangarajan, she's currently the National Content Director, Mirchi. She has spent the last 14 years of her life across various roles in Radio Mirchi, from heading content creation for various geographies to managing and curating music across multiple stations in India. This is a very interesting article. अगर मैं आपको पूरा बता दूंगी, so you'll not read, but yes, it is a very lovely article. You must go to the website and check this out. Then under She Leads, we have featured, this is a featured category, wherein we have featured a brand which is called Aditi Jagi Rastogi. Unka naam bhi hai ye. This is her brand only. She's a well-known face in Indian fashion industry. She has got an endless list of achievements. Just naming a few. She's working very closely with Reena Dhaka, जिनको कौन नहीं जानता है उनको. Designed and manufactured collections for Shoppers Stop, Zara, Kimaya, and many more brands. She's designing for stores and clientele in Atlanta. She has showcased collections at Kolkata Fashion Week, Bangalore Fashion Week, India Fashion Week, and 4 years continuously in Dubai Fashion Week. So all the best to Aditi. And Aditi is also focusing on bringing Lucknow chicken curry on a global platform. She has various things designed of chicken only. Chicken khali hum ek chicken curry ko ek normal nahi samajhte. There are so many things which we can do from a chicken curry work. So she has got a very lovely collection for that as well. We have now Shining Star category. This month we have featured 2 shining stars. One is Shan Suhas Kumar. She is a global climate ambassador. She was India's representative to Miss Earth 2017. She's the winner of Top Model India 2016 and represented India in Top Model Worldwide in London. In 2019, she was chosen to be the global ambassador of World Merit. In 2020, she's chosen to be the Goodwill Ambassador for National Endeavor for Student Transformation and Initiative of the Akshay Patra Foundation. All the best to you, Shan. And in fact, आपके नाम में ही शान है. So you itself is shining. I think you're born star. So all the best to you. May you really shine so much that your parents should feel proud of you. Then we have another shining star, which is Vanshika Goenka. She has launched a brand, a women community, which is called Cool Kanya. It's a community of women, and she talks about the impact of women-only networks. Now, here I would like to talk about that in India, agar hum dekhe, bahut sare, because women are really coming out, they are working, they are doing so many things into various sectors. So, pan-India, there are so many communities which have formed. चाहे वो विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की हो, चाहे वो आर्ट की हो, चाहे सोशल की हो, चाहे लिटरेचर की हो, there have been so many communities, and all the communities are working towards a common mission. I think this is something fantastic, and even in coming editions, we'll be talking about more on women communities. So this is the one. Therefore, we took this article because we wanted to project one community at one time so that we talk about more about that. So this is the Cool community, which is started by a young person. She's so young. तो अगर इस तरह से अगर हमारे thoughts are there. I think और ज़्यादा development होगा, more communities, more networking, more people would help each other. I think it will be a wonderful things will come out of this all networking things and all. So therefore, all the best to Anshika. May your community grow leaps and bounds. Then in the travel category, like in travel, जैसे हम we invite stories from various people. So and it all real life stories होती हैं जब अगर आप जाते हैं किसी trip में. So even if you're watching us right now, आप you can send us your travel stories. आप कहीं पे भी गए हो, अगर आपको if you want to share that with us, you can definitely mail to us. Our IDs are given over here, and आप हमें mail कर सकते हैं. This month we have featured 2 travel tales. One is of Germany, which is sent to us by Ruchi Jain, and another story is of Bastar, जो कि हमें भेजी है Mr. Vishal Nigam ने. Then under arts and culture we have this poem of emotions, which is it is based on 9 जो 9 रस होते हैं किसी डांस में, जो अलग अलग पोजेस में जो हम शो करते हैं डांस में इमोशंस, उस पे ये पूरी पोएम है. And this is written by Prabha Raghunandan. Then under health and lifestyle, we have this article Stressed Out, which is written by Dr. Sandhya Dwivedi. अगर हम देखते हैं, you know, why these stress, depression, this is mental, it's been mental health and all. This is all because of this 2020. अगर COVID, because of COVID, everybody is so much, stressed out, and ये इतना हो रहा है इस समय, and then so much of things, depression, anxiety, stress हो रहा है. So we need to come out of this. So, and this is a very regular thing. एक टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को ये नहीं होता था, या होता था तो पता नहीं चलता था, but अब इतना common होता जा रहा है ये, and all these things are affecting our lives like anything. So, and then once you are with all these depression, anxiety, and stress, then this starts interfering in our daily lives also, and which becomes a really serious issue. So, this article talks about the strategies which we can use to be, which we can use in a life so that we are stress free. Now, this is something new which we have started doing it from this time only, January only. Whispering thoughts. This is a hashtag WS Whispering Thoughts. This will be a blog wherein you can write anything you want, irrespective of what theme we are into. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, आप हमको भेज सकते हैं, and we'll publish your blog in this. This is open to all authors, writers, bloggers. जो भी आप लिखना चाहें, you can send us your entries over here, and if you find it good, then we'll publish it also. So this time we have published this article by Meenu Chopra. This is Free Your Cage and Flap Your Wings. She's a life coach, and this is a lovely article कि हम, and ये line जो है, Free Your Cage and Flap Your Wings, this is applicable to everybody on this earth. At some given point of time, you really feel that you should just leave everything and just run out from there. So this is what it talks about. And ऐसा नहीं कि किसी पे ये इम्प्लाई नहीं हो, सब पे ये अप्लाई होता है. किसी भी लाइफ टाइम में आपको जरूर ये फील होता होगा कि बस इनफ नाउ, लेट्स फिनिश इट ऑफ एंड जस्ट मूव अहेड. So this article, really, it's a wonderful article. You must read this. This talks about this only, कि किस तरह से, क्योंकि हमारे इतना relationship chaos होते हैं, problems होती हैं. So how can we free our cage and flap our wings and live a different, happy life? So this is written by Meenu Chopra. I'm sure you will love this article. Then we have under taste buds. This is a very people who are fond of shakarkandi. I'm sure you will love this recipe. It's a bathua shakarkandi puri with potato sabji. It's a very I think ये winters में सबसे बढ़िया bathua is always used in various forms in almost all the households. So this is another one recipe. I'm sure you will definitely try this. This is sent to us by Shobna Sharma. She runs this Mama Kitchen by the name, and उन्होंने हमें ये story भेजी है, ये article recipe भेजी है हमको. Then we have the beauty. We have this article, Mask Beauty, the New Normal, which is sent to us by Tanya Sahani. जैसे हम देखते हैं कि because of this, face masks have become actually essential part now. Wherever we go, we have to carry this mask and a sanitizer bottle. This has become essential thing in our bags. It has to be there. So but this will not dampen the spirit that how we look and whether we should put up makeup or not. So now this article talks about this only, that how to take care of your skin and what is the right choice of makeup. So the people who are really keen that how you should look good in spite of the mask and all, you must read this. Also, this time we have this is I think this is a very wonderful article on makeup trends for 2021. So here, what we have done, we have taken inputs from various makeup experts, and I've just put on there. We got some views from them, and we have published those. So this is starting by from Vidya Tikari. She's a beauty educator. She has written about what is the best makeup trend for this 2021. So her few lines focus on eyes and eyebrows. She's from Delhi. And then we have Monica Sharma. She's a makeup expert. She's from Gurgaon. She talks about nudes and neons. Then we have makeup expert Ritika Gavra. She's also from Gurgaon. She talks about fresh and light. Then we have makeup expert Payal D. Jain from Pune. He talks about high definition foundation. Interesting things. Then we have makeup expert Pooja Chopra from Gurgaon. She talks about eyes, eyelashes, and natural skin care. Then we have makeup enthusiast Aditi Gupta. She talks about hair extensions. So now you know all what are the makeup trends, what you should use, what should not, where you should focus upon. So very interesting, actually, these things which we've received from these makeup experts. So I think we should, few things we can, of course, use in our daily lives as well. So then under fashion, we have this article is sent to us by Shubha Joshi. She's an image consultant. She talks about 10 ways to look rich and stylish. So then moving on further, our cover story, as I think she doesn't need any introduction, but still I will tell few lines about her. This cover story is of Miss Malini Agarwal. She's founder and creative director of Miss Malini Entertainment. Her company creates exciting content and experiences to appeal to the digital generation. She's also a digital influencer, a TV host, an entrepreneur, and a best-selling author. She has launched a women's social network, which is called Malini's Girl Tribe, on Facebook, Android, and iOS app. So you must read about her. The way she has, the journey has taken various phases, and it was always a upward graph, and the way she has done it, the way she has actually discovered various aspects of entertainment industry, and now she's become a name, and actually she is example of passion and perseverance. So you must read this cover story. It's very interesting. I've become a great fan of Malini. In fact, from the day or the once we have launched this magazine, from there we really wanted to cover her. So finally, it got through. So yeah, her app is also, even you can join her Facebook community as well. Then we have entertainment news. So here we talk about Georgia Andriani. Then this is Ahilya Bai serial, which is coming on Sony Television. Few things about that, about the producer, writer, and the characters. Then we have this Carry On holiday list, which is given to us by few actors, in fact, actors too, Angad Hazija, Rohit Chaudhary, Sharad Malhotra. Then we have Shivangi Joshi. The people who are watching this serial, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, they're aware of this Shivangi Joshi. She's a huge, celebrity now on television. Then we have this Four More Shots Please season 3. Then we have an article from Shilpa Shetty. Then comes the zodiac, Aquarius. This time we have, as we all know, that we feature one zodiac, and we give the compatibility of that particular zodiac sign with other zodiac signs. So this time we have given the compatibility of Aquarius with Aries, Gemini, Libra, and Sagittarius. Now, this is the legal aspect of unpaid labor, which I told you a few minutes back. So this is written to us by a lawyer, Abha Singh. She's a well-known face name in the legal industry and otherwise as well. She's an advocate, Bombay High Court. She's an activist and former bureaucrat. So she talks about the legal aspect of, because this was too much in the newspapers. So here she talks about what is the legal aspect of this unpaid labor. So yeah, so this was all about our ninth edition. So I'm sure you'll like it because we really wanted to have a particular theme for this edition. And so we all got all this entertainment, radio, and fashion all blend together into a one very good edition. So now, yes, you must really subscribe to our magazine, www.womenshine.in. Subscription is free of cost. Now you have two options. Either you can just go to the PDF, see the pages, or then also from there also you can go to the website, or else you can go down, see the flip the pages also. So we have made it much more easier for you to look at the articles now. So of course, thank you everyone. Thank you my team, and thank you to all readers and subscribers who are following it. So, and we look forward for your suggestions, because अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि इसमें ये चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए, इस तरह से मैगजीन को करना चाहिए, we are most welcome to take any suggestion from you. आप अगर वो उससे हमारी मैगजीन, हमारा प्रोडक्ट इंप्रूव हो रहा है, तो of course we'll take that suggestion from you. So yes, and of course you subscribe to our Facebook pages, subscribe to our Insta handle, which is Women Shine Mag. So thank you so much. Thank you, my team. Thank you, Kriti, for bearing me and giving me the best product. Thank you, Daman, for editing it. And thank you, everyone. Do watch stay tuned for our next, I'm very in few days time, we'll be doing a very good announcement, which we are doing in the month of March. So stay tuned and all the best. Thank you so much. Bye.